In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 ways to make cash from home in 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Do you want to learn how to make money online in 2022 but don't know where to start? You're not the only one who feels this way. There are millions of newcomers or beginners that desire to generate money online but are unable to do it due to a lack of advice. Here are the top 10 ways to make cash from home in 2022. So let's start. Number 10. Create a blog. Blogging is a great way to get money online. Today's businesses utilize blogging to educate customers, expand their audience, and increase leads and sales. If used correctly, blogging can increase your website's search engine rankings and credibility. It can be a rewarding hobby, side gig, or full-time job. Start a blog, offer your expertise, establish a personal brand, or sell things. Number 9. Sell on Amazon. It's no secret that Amazon is the world's largest marketplace for e-commerce businesses. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, people moved to online buying, generating revenue for Amazon sellers. Selling on Amazon is a terrific way to make money online in 2021 because it is a global marketplace. Number 8. Work as a TikTok marketing consultant. You can also work as a TikTok marketing consultant. Many organizations are now seeking for TikTok marketing consultants to produce interactive films. Working as a TikTok marketing consultant might be lucrative. Producing engaging videos may help brands grow. Enroll in the TikTok course to develop your skills in this area and help brands communicate with their audiences. Number 7. Watch videos and get paid. A web page Swagbucks is a website that rewards users for watching movies online. You will receive a $10 sign-up bonus if you subscribe to the website. Videos can be seen on a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. Of course, you won't be able to make a lot of money with this, but it's a good start. Number 6. Rent a space in your home. If you have a spare bedroom, you can rent it out for cash. Because there is healthy competition, you need to provide add-ons like a tour of the city or any other service. This may not be profitable at first, but as you rent more and increase your customer, you'll likely need to rent a home or flat. Number 5. Become an online fitness coach or trainer. Working as a part-time online personal trainer may be both physically and financially beneficial for fitness freaks with charisma and business acumen. Once you gain a reputation and a clientele, it may become a full-time job. Observe how top fitness blogs get money from content sponsorships, affiliates, and product sales. Number 4. Use Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Do you enjoy working for others? Fixing a broken pipe or cleaning the garage may not seem like a job, but Mechanical Turk will pay you to do these. It's human intelligence tasks, hits, on Amazon. These are simple everyday activities that won't take much time or energy, but you'll be paid to complete them. Number 3. Become a caretaker. Do you have experience working with children? If you answered yes, Care.com is a great way for you to make money quickly. It's similar to Craigslist, but for babysitting. People will be able to choose you as a babysitter once you sign up as a caretaker. The nicest thing is that you'll have the option of either dealing with misbehaving children or moving on to the next family. If you want to generate money online, investing in the future of others can help you achieve it. Number 2. Offer gigs on freelancing websites. Maybe you have other talents. Whatever your skill set is, we can help you succeed. You may list your services on freelancing websites and earn money quickly. Start little, but as you gain experience, you can charge whatever you feel is fair for your service. Remember that, like any other money-making endeavor, this will take time to succeed. Number 1. Earn money online with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the finest ways to make money online quickly and easily. By promoting other brand services or products, you can earn money. With good marketing skills, you can promote products, mobile apps, software solutions, and more. When your followers buy a product or service via your affiliate link, you get rewarded. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like from above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.